Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Softech. In this video, we are going to talk about the introduction of the STAAD Pro as well as we will see the interface of the STAAD Pro. So let's start the video first. So here you can see that the introduction of the STAAD Pro. STAAD Pro stands for Structural Analysis and Designing Program. Okay. Second point is saying that this software is used for analysis and designing of the structure. With the help of this software, we can analyze the structure as well as we can design the structure very easily. Third one, it is saying that mostly this software is used for civil engineering designing. Now let's move toward the next part. So let's understand the three words which is related to the STAAD Pro. First one is structural or the structure. So basically structure is related to the every type of construction structure which we can design, such as the building models, water tank, truss or towers. This type of structure we can easily design with the help of the STAAD Pro. Now next move toward the second word, that is analysis. So analysis refers to analyzing the structure before designing. While we are going to the designing process, before designing the structure, we have to analyze the structure so that by analyzing the structure, we will find out the shear results such as shear force, bending moment, deflection, displacement, etc. Okay, now next move toward the designing. So designing help us to register the external force which is applied on the structure. So whenever we are going to design the structure, we know how much load is coming externally on the structure, so that we have to withstand that load. For doing that, we have to know some things, that is we have to know the reinforcement, we have to know the sizes of the beams as well as the columns, so that we can provide according to that. We have to know the numbers of bars we have to provide in the structures. So we have to know all the details informations related to the structures or the elements, so that we can withstand the external loads which is coming on the structure. So this we will know while designing the structure. So let's see the interface of the STAAD Pro. So click over the STAAD Pro software, and after that you can see that STAAD Pro Advanced Connection Edition is opened. Here you can see that some of the options are given. You can see that open options, new, archive, share, help, license and configure options are given on the left side of the interface, and at the right side of the interface you can see that open sections is given. Here you can see here the recent files. You can also open the project wise files or the folders, archives. You can see the things in the archive sections. You can also open the sample models as well as the verification models. You can also open the other models from your saved items. Okay, but here we want to create some new projects, so click over the new option, and after that you can see that some model informations you have to provide. So here you can see that file name is given here, structure1. If you want to keep it, you can also keep it like the same name, or you can also change the file name. So here I am providing the file name building, and after that you have to provide the location so that you can save the file in that particular location. So here I have already provided the location for my file. If you want some more location, then you have to click on the browse option, and after that you will get some of the locations. You have to select anyone from your location, and after that you have to click on the select folder. But I have already selected my file location, so I'm just clicking over the cancel option, and after that you have to select the model type. Here I am selecting it analytical. You can also do it physical as well as building, but firstly we have to analyzing the structure, that's why I'm taking it analytical. And after that we have to provide the units as per our requirement. We have to select the units English as well as metric. So here I'm selecting it metric because we have to work on the metric units. You can also select the units from the configure section just by clicking over the configure. Application configure dialog box is opened. You can see that user interface. You can see the language is given here English. So this is the only one language it is provided. You need not to change it, you have to keep it as it is. And in the base unit you can select as per your requirements. So here I am selecting it metric. Okay, and global access you have to provide Y upward always here. And next, in the personalized application you have to provide the diagram background. If you want to change the diagram background, just click over the downward arrow. Here you can see that two background is available, black and white. Select any one from here, so I am taking it white. And after that, if you want to change the theme color, then you can also do that. You have to select it by just clicking over this downward arrow. You can see there are three colorful, blue or green. So here I am selecting it blue, and after that click over OK option. Now you can see that the theme color is changed from red to this blue color. Okay, and after doing all the things we have to click on the create option. Here you can see that the final interface of the STAAD Pro. Here some of the options are given: file, geometry, view options, select option, specifications, loadings. So lots of options are given here. We will see it later. And in the workflow sections we have analytical modeling, physical modeling, building planner. Lots of things are here. When we are going to start the STAAD Pro in more detail, then we will discuss it in the next videos. So this is for all today. If anyone is new in this channel, then please subscribe to my channel Civil Soft Tech. Like this video, share it, and do comments in the comment sections. We are going to meet in the next videos. Till then, bye bye and take care.